Hello students, we're going to have a quick review on operations with integers. We're going to start with adding, and when you're adding integers, if they have the same sign, you add the two integers together and you keep that sign. So if they're both positive, you add them together and keep it positive. If they're both negative, you add them together and keep it negative. If they're different signs, you're going to find the difference or subtract the numbers, and then whichever one you have more of, you take that sign. So let's practice this. If you have -2 and you're adding a -12, they're both negative, so you're going to use the same signs rule and add and keep the sign. So you add the two numbers together, 2 and 12 make 14, and then you are going to keep it negative because they're both negative. So your sum is -14. Now on number 2, you have -10 plus a +49. So you have different signs. So you're going to find the difference, and the difference in 10 and 49 is 39. And you have -10 and a +49. So you take the sign that you have more of, and you have more positive, so this sum is a +39. All right, now with subtracting, you're going to use the rule keep, change, opposite to help you. Okay, like on number 1, 30 and subtracting a -14. When you're subtracting a negative, it's really just adding, and you can use the keep, change, opposite to help you. You keep the first number, change your subtraction to addition, and then take the opposite of the second number. So 30, keep it +30, change to addition, and the opposite of -14 is +14. So you end up just adding 14 to 30, which makes 44. Okay? Now here, we're going to keep, change, opposite, because -10 and then take away another 29 can be kind of tricky. Think if you owe someone $10 and then you owe them 29 more, you're more negative. You owe them even more. So do the keep, change, opposite, and that can help you. -10, change to addition, opposite of 29 is -29. So now using our addition rules, they have the same sign, so you add them together and keep it negative. Okay? So if you borrow 10 and then you borrow 29 more, now you are -39. Okay? All right. Now let's review multiplying and dividing. What's nice about multiplying and dividing integers is that they both have the same rules. If you're multiplying or dividing and they have the same signs, then your answer is positive. Different signs, your answer is negative. So when you're multiplying two positives, you just multiply them like normal, 27, and you keep it positive because they have the same sign. Same with if they're both negative. Same sign, so your answer will be positive, and you just multiply them like you've always multiplied. 3 times 9, 27. Positive 27. Same thing if you're dividing and you have the same sign. 9 divided by 3 is 3. They're both positive. The answer will be positive. Okay, and last here, same signs. They're both negative. Just divide, you get 3, and since they're the same sign, it's a +3. Now when you're multiplying and dividing and you have different signs, you multiply and divide like normal, but your answer will be negative. So 3 times -9, just multiply, but your answer will be negative because one's positive and one's negative. And it doesn't matter which one's first. If your first number's negative and the number you're multiplying to it is positive, the second number's positive, you just multiply. Different signs, a negative product. Same thing with dividing. 9 divided by -3, different signs, so you just divide. 9 divided by 3 is 3, different signs, makes it -3. Even if you're dividing a -9 divided by a +3, different signs, just divide, and it's negative since they're different signs. All right, thank you.